Translate is your first skill. Look at that artistic. It's like a Frank Lloyd Wright problem. 10 to the 5th power equals x. Translate it so that you know what you're trying to find. In this case, I just do 10 to the 5th. And that will tell me what x is. So 10 to the 5th is 5 zeros. So 100,000 is your answer there. Okay, the next one when I translate, I get something taken to the negative 2 power, and I end up with 1 over 25. Well, the negative is why I ended up with a fraction. And so all I have to figure out is what am I squaring to get 25. So what's my answer there? 5.
Yeah.
So x is 5 on that one. And the reason x is 5 is because that's what you square to get 25. The negative is why that 25 is under a fraction bar. So that was already taken care of. When I translate number 3, I get 16 to the 1/2 power equals x. So this one, you're not really doing any algebra or any, you just have to know what that exponent is. So 1/2 exponent means what? Square root. So that's how you get 4 for that one. We're just doing positive roots here. And the last one, that was our sassy, 36. I raised it to some exponent, and I ended up with 1 over 6. Two things happened there. I started off with a whole number, and I ended up with a fraction. We know that's negative exponent. So I already know x is negative.
Went from a large into a smaller number.
That's beautiful.
You're gonna make you cry.
I know. So whole number to a fraction, put your negative in there because you know, oh, not x to the negative. That's an equal sign. It's just, yes. Okay, so I know my exponent is negative, and then I had big number. I went down to a smaller number, so I know I have a fraction. So it's square root of 36 is how you get 6. So negative 1/2 was the answer to the last one. That 4 equals x is backwards. It disturbs me. Negative 1/2 is my exponent. 36 to the negative 1/2. That's why my answer is in the denominator. The 1/2 means I took square root of 36. So that was solving for x. So we've learned translating already. We've learned evaluating. And we've learned solving. We're cooking. Okay, let's go to two unique